No.
Let's do this. Yeah. Money get it, man. Get up off that tiny chain. Oh my, how things have changed. Put in work for that weekend, man. I put in work to get the weekend juice. It's eating, sleeping, punching clock. Feeling like I'm just a robot when I'm eating, sleeping, punching clock. It's repetition and the routine, and it's just to keep some cash flow. It's doing time and losing your mind while
Let's go.
If I had some wings, I would fly far away, but no I don't, and so I won't. I'll just live here and fight another day. In battling for sanity, a little peace of mind that I used to have back when I was young and it was fun with no stress on my back. I don't quit, see I carry on. Life is what you make it. I'm not here to fear the future, I just came here to shape it. Keep it rolling, chin up, eyes on the prize. This ain't motivational speech or nothing. Hey, I'm just feeling kinda wise, so why? We'll spread this gospel like some heated up parquet going on toast, and you can listen to me like I'm Dr. Fillmore at Poe. Money get it, man, get up off that tiny chain. Oh my, how things have changed. Put in work for that weekend, man.